we have a Hohner student for accordion in red. It has 26 keys in the treble with 40 bass buttons with 3 switches on the treble side, but there's in reality only 2 switches. We have 2 middle reeds. So we have a clarinet reed. That's our clarinet sound. And now we have both our middle reeds is musette. On the bass, we have from C, we have a counter bass row, we have a bass row, major, minor, and 7th. We have, it has a orange bellows with gold trim on the bellows. This has a musette sound. This accordion would actually be perfect for somebody who had a 12 bass and now they're ready to upgrade to something that has a little bit more versatility on the bass. So it has a very nice sweet musette sound. It's very small and compact. It's red and gold in very nice condition. I'll play you something so you can hear what it sounds like.